Hey ladies, it's Leslie. I'm gonna review LadyBoss Labs. My favorite is Burn. I've been teaching 40 nurses a day, 4-hour classes, about 16-hour days, and I take one burn in the morning before I go to work after I take my lean, and then I pop another burn at lunch, and it gets me through my day. So even though I was injured the last 9 days when I fractured my knee, I was able to get through class. I focused. It wasn't jittery. I didn't have heart palpitations. You know, it didn't make me nauseous or sick. It's by far the best fat burner or energy boost that I've had so far. There wasn't any flavor of it because they're pills, you know. So my coach told me to take one in the morning and one in the afternoon. So that's what I've been doing. I love it. I recommend Burn to anybody that needs that little boost, that doesn't want to be all jittery. It's not like other caffeine pills or things that we've had in the past. I think Kaelin really nailed it with Burn, so I'm very excited that to have Burn. I also love Recover. I've been using it at the gym, and it is watermelon flavored, but I was expecting like a spicy sparkle, or you know, like a tart watermelon, and it's more of a creamy watermelon. So when I drank it, I was kind of like, huh. And then I got to drinking it, and I love it. Recover is right on the money too. So I recommend Recover for, you know, if you're sore after your workout. It really helps. I have a scoop during my workout with 6 ounces of water, and then I have another scoop after my workout to, you know, just give me some more hydration and to help with all that pain. And I haven't had any. So I'm really excited about LadyBoss Labs, and I recommend them to everybody. I have Lean, Recover, Burn, and Rest. I love Rest. I usually have to take like prescription sleeping pills, and since I've started on Rest, I fall asleep within, you know, an hour and a half of taking it, and then I am out for the night and I wake up refreshed. I'm not groggy. I'm ready. I've been getting up at 5 a.m. to do this job. So Rest is also a great one to have. Lean, great. It tastes like vanilla cake, just like Kaelin said. I have a scoop in the morning for breakfast because I never have time for breakfast. So I have a scoop in the morning, and then if I don't have time for lunch, or you know, I get home late and it's not, you know, it's too late for supper and I'm really just not hungry, I'll have another scoop of Lean and just have that as my meal on occasion when I don't have time to eat. So LadyBoss Labs, Burn, Recover, Lean, Rest. I recommend them all, and I can't wait to try Fuel when it comes in the next couple weeks. So, all right, if you haven't got your labs yet, get out there and get them. Bye.